So this is a chart with all the different waters, and you can see where the waters come from, what button you would push to get that water. In this container, there'll always be facial water, so that's beauty water, so you can use it on hot towels, you can use it for the facials, for the steamers, or anything like that. This will be hot drinking water to make teas with, so that is the Kangen water. So if you go through here, it tells you what water's coming out of each part. So when you push each button, it'll say what's coming out of the top and what's coming out of the bottom. You can never drink any of the water coming out of the bottom. So it says that on here, do not drink. Because it does make two different types of waters at once. So if you're drinking Kangen water and you need to make beauty water, you can get the beauty water from here while it's coming out. So you can just take a look at what it is. And this goes through what each of the waters is used for. It's hard to see, but unfortunately, I'm just going to make it bigger or darker. But to operate it, you're just going to touch the screen, and you're going to go and select the water. So the drinking waters are the three over here. They recommend starting at 8.5 if you haven't had any of the pH balance water before, and then you can work your way up to 9.5. The green one is clean water, so that's just basic water. It's good for people taking medications, because we don't have any contraindication to that, as well as for baby bottles and stuff, so sometimes take babies with water before. These can be used for cooking and stuff, like people do, like, so that they don't season their food as much. So we're not cooking here, so it's not as big of a deal, but it is to sit on here. So the strong acidic will come out of this one here. That can be used to sanitize food dishes. So you can use that, or for fruits. Anytime you use this one here, after you use it, this machine is going to have to run through a cleaning cycle. So if you just select any of the other ones, it's going to say run through cleaning cycle. It won't let you continue until that's done. So to do that, you just flip this on and it'll run through its cleaning cycle, and then it'll tell you when it's done. So to get the water, you just select which one you want and flip this left one here, and then the water will come out. And then you just do that to turn it off. This is just regular tap water. Try to think if there's anything else I missed from here. I think that's it. Any questions?